Me organize. Yeah, chat me I go somewhere, me organize something. Someone somewhere. Okay. I organize up myself, me there, me that take both of my finger and my toe, but I ain't motherfucking looking. Shay, what's up, baby? What's up, boo? Chat me must have work me come and they look at beggings. Oh.
Bro, because that man I tell her to add them big pussy dirty girl. I'm like, run a chat in your head pussy. And Black Nancy. Frowns they support girl.
So what abstract? Some people always want to be seen in many different ways, isn't it? I'm not even gonna argue with anybody over here. Cause at the end of the day, I don't even know what he's doing. I don't know him from nowhere. We're not gonna argue because we don't know who he is him. Poet abstract. So how things? How things? Try to make a recharge and put something when they come whenever come to work yesterday, we got sleep. Come to want to sleep. Come to work today. So let me say the whole of the day I work.
We can't get that first 6 tonight, 8 o'clock.
I want it now.
No, I'm not having now. No, I'm a baby daddy. I'm a baby daddy right now. Yeah. So if later on I can come just beat you.
Now what there, man? What you say? What time?
8 o'clock.
Alright, my time.
Your time. Listen. No more than 4 gloves per game.
Alright, so like I bex out of 6. One gloves per game.
That sound better. 1 gloves per game.
1 gloves per game. Cause you like come back for me. Like you want me afraid of you.
1 gloves per game.
Yeah, remember the last time I beat you, but anyway.
But a 1-1, me beat you first, you beat back, so 1-1.
Yes.
So I will see you then.
Remember 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
Remember if you don't come this trip, you can't set no more time in with me.
I will be there 8 o'clock. No later than 8 o'clock.
If you don't come this trip, you can't set no more time with me.
I will be there 8 o'clock.
If you don't come this trip, you can't set no more time with me.
I will definitely be there 8 o'clock.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Come on, later we are beat him up. Nah laugh, but serious. We are beat him up later. We're gonna beat him up. We want to enter the ranking. No, if him don't come here, we not do. We want to enter the ranking and get 100 diamond and put yourself up there early. We don't have to do no what the most, so just want to enter the ranking. Because we have a big bag. We can't ever come together and do it. We just enter the ranking. So chat, what's up? What am I trying? Yeah, what a nice day yesterday. With me and my boo. Eh? Isn't that was a splendid yesterday? One thing if you understand. When girl good. Mickey! Fabulous, baby. Yeah. And Mickey come here, girl. I put that one here. I want Bella. But Bella there. I'm going to call Bella because Bella for the year, you know. We can't talk and left out. Bella. I'm going to share the life to Bella because Bella for the year. It was refreshing, present. Bella after the year. Can't talk and left up Bella, you know. No deserve. Power taps, so I've loved and refreshing night and day. Power taps, my team. Try. It's all about them for saving number. I'm for save the boy number. You one boy told me if I ever look search my phone for one boy number. Because sometimes for saving number, it come out of my head. I don't know what's your number. One boy, I want boy them for saving number. I told them look like rubbish, so. Track me, but we are trying to the wrong. So want me now. You know what I mean? I put my message to my people in my type. Yeah, tomorrow, bang bang, bigaloo. Yeah, I'll get to the point. Just go on top. Oh. I need a tailor. Why, Bella? The roots of all evil, my dear. The roots of all evil. But you know, me not come argue with nobody. All of them girls that send me requests at work, me come. Me not come argue with nobody, you know, because in my days are done and the book is closed. Me close the chapter a long time. So for the people them, for the mad people them over here, who the things say, me like go back to somebody who need to have it wrong all along. I don't know personal. I don't know personal. Sometimes I saw me let have steam. Who the real and things say, me that go back to somebody have it wrong. I'm my man did have it at the back of my head, you know. So me that will go back to somebody, but we don't know him. But I'm going back nowhere. Bella, me never go back nowhere, Bella, because Bella, I get some breed that beaten. I'm as long I'm a pray to Father God day in, day out. Father God, I'm dying to get rid of them, man. I'm dying to get rid of them. And when I do get rid of them, oh, hallelujah, I'm at peace. Mickey, you crazy? So sometimes I'm glad, me wealthy and lonely because me no want nobody to beat me. I struggle for true Bella and ball every day and fret every day. Can't be at no peace. I can't express myself. I can't be happy. No, I can't take my little time. Take my little weight loss shots. I'll do it now, make me eat. Consume what I can't consume. Take off my local weight. Plan for tack up and dack up at whenever I'm ready. I can buy 2 little clothes of a Fashion Nova. Throw them on. Go outside with my 2 girls, them and have a drink. Me not the body I call on my phone. Me not the body I beat me down. Me not the body I bully. Me not the body I batteration me. I am at very much at peace. Yeah. And this information has nothing to do with dissecting. None of the stuff I dissect. Because at the end of the day, I move on long enough. And sometimes when I hear me open my mouth to the particular individual, and sometimes I talk some things about my blood clot, man, I don't even like it. Because you know, in a no form, no shape, no form, no shape, no size, I cast no judgment on nobody. And if you go bathe and brush your teeth, you're in a position. When Gaza, Kim say, we're moving on, we find a better man, me done with him. Gaza thinking you. It is a true definition when you're done with a person. So all who attack and a lab and do the lab and the elaboration. That video where I showed up yesterday, you know, that happened last month. I over here you want class Akeem. I over here you want bring him down. Because him have something more valuable. Him have something. Him take something more valuable from you can't get back. And that's the real problem. Cause me now come back. Cause me tell myself this in a long book of life. I rather get Akeem 50 chances with me. Jake say can't get back 1. Yeah. I rather get Akeem 50 chance with me. 50. My all a choke. 50. Brother get Akeem 50 chance with me. Jukes I can't get back not even 1. And when you come up over here, you put up your woman in the back jack. And you want ready for cuss and class. And go on. And feel like say, yeah, you have 1 up. You know, you don't get to know 1 up. You don't get no 1 up, sir. Because the real people them will have real education. Because you have some real up TikTok have some real people who have real education, you know, go school, say them have them degree and them master them degree and them diplomacy. Them have real sense. You putting up your woman in the backdrop don't even make no sense. She's a child. Nobody can start life with a child. That you want to prove to the world that you like them when they're very young. He's a pedophile. So the higher the monkey climb, the more it gets exposed. And that's why I really tell yourself to stop. Because what you're doing is pointless. You put up a child in the background that just show the world is a pedophile. You like them when they're young. You know, you start life with people who have, you know, you have something and somebody have something to start life together. Anyway, moving right along, because I never stay this for too long. The chapter closed a long time, people. A long time. Nobody now have to text Rosie. Nobody now have to text Rosie. Rosie know what she want. And if Akeem 50 chance with me, and if Akeem no want me, as well someone want to say, me gonna look somebody else to get another 50 more chance. I never plan from looking back to go back to. I never plan to do that, none at all, because if I was planning to go back to somebody, I wouldn't leave them. It's I walk away from all of it. It's me walk away. I choose to leave. I choose to walk away a long time ago. People who have real sense will understand. Me not about the people who have no sense. I know you're here. Know you're here over. Know you're over here yesterday. You want class, my man, and bring him down. Talk all type of shit. And at the end of the day, you still want him, woman. You want class boy and talk all type of rubbish, and you still want him, woman. You wouldn't mind me say come. I when me block you, ring down. I when me block you, you ring down my phone pan private. I when me block you, I when me block him, you ring down my phone pan private. The night, I'm gonna call it that area. Found a woman up at half a tree, God bless her soul. Max came at half a tree, I call it the ear. I want to reach a tree, man, my phone ring pan private. I know my phone ring pan private, I throw it on the car speaker. Cause my phone attached to my BMW, so it can go up on the car speaker. I say, what you want? Where I come find a way? What you want? I bang up my phone. And you look like say and that the man they not good. Mister that not have nothing to do with you. You never come tell the world say me I look trying for you. Hang up my phone. Stop come tell people say you had to be a child co-parent cause you never want that. You know, so you don't want co-parenting. So we are come about. Well, move on, you know. Someone don't know what's wrong with someone. Move on long time for last year. No. So who did have them head can take it out from now? When we move on. One not honest and one not get. When we move on, you know. Because I can't jump. I tell about feelings. It's your feelings go for me. When I move on. I can't dislike and get back for like you. Not no go so. When I move on. When I like you, till I fall in love with you, till me a day, I was second, I was there. I will ride out the storm and everything. And when all of that is done, when all of that is all said and done and over with, and me walk when I move on. I'm gonna tell you already the first place move on after yes so. So there's no feelings. You can't tell me nothing I'm feeling no way. You can't touch me, I'm feeling a type of way. Come and move on, the door closed. If you talk to me, I will talk to you. But certain things we're not gonna do. I move on a long time. I don't know since the last year I move on, I just left last. Since the last year I move on. I left and since the last year I move on, I just left last year. I move on a long time ago. Don't not get that. And when you move on, you don't have no feelings to your man. Some of the day, me would my day by day. And I think about other people. I move on a long time. And that's why I tell it, that's why I talk about it, so for the people over here don't, you know. Yeah. On the dance. I pay dance people over here. Move on a long time, I love. Long time I move on. That's why it was so easy for Akim come and say, more and date Rosalie. Knowing she live a house with her man, and I can come and just take her out and date, so. And I said, no, man. And this girl no want that the man day. Because if she live a house with her man, and she can't just such a go out and date with me, if me deliver a house with my woman, or my woman could have go out with man, that means that something in a them relationship wrong bang from the jump. It's evident for see. Some don't know who will come with them, whatever. Me not care. The business. Me no business. Me close on the chapter with that man there long time. A long time I want to leave him because he beat woman too much. And him nag. Every minute. But just show you up and show you say, Akim have something was valuable to you you can't get back. Yeah, you can't get it back. Yeah. And it caused the whole commotion. It is your problem. Yeah. You have something more valuable to you who you can't get back. Because at the end of the blood clot there, I'm not coming back to you. And if Akim no want me as well you say. Come here, what you say. We move on to somebody else but not you. So there will be no more me and there will be no more me and you. Never, ever. Me not even think about it. Not even think, me not even reconsider. Move on. I close my chapter. And I'm HAPPY. I don't know what you think you're doing. I'm gonna really come to the window with an extra bag of chatting and the bag of class. I don't have a time for that because you come over here. Mono Jim come over here. Him say him teach me for beard. I him teach me to brush my teeth. My shape bad. And all of the above. Out of all what you say. Out of all what you say. You know what show you up? He's like a disgusting, ungrateful piece of shit. And your friend them who you have around you, them not tell you the facts. So you're ungrateful. Because gone are the days of the same shit bad girl used to feed you, clothe you and put you up. And you not start falter yet. Because the Bible tell you don't bite the hands that feed you. You're ungrateful. We are gonna exhibit chapter 30, 18, verse 10 and 11. A chapter we want there. A chapter that we want go. I start from here, so. Instagram. I start from Instagram. The world, they don't discover all me shape from Christopher Columbus days. A confidence is key, boss me. You come over here, you want slow, you want dip, you want dive, you want class. But yet still, my brand, what my bill, my legacy, what I have, I eat you live off. All you don't make a name for yourself. All know you don't make a name for yourself. All know. My legacy, when me create, I eat, you still a live off. Some of them know, oh, you come at about top heavy, shape bad. I boss me. Me could never be an ordinary shape good girl and boss. That's when the girl I'm around up and down in the comment section class, but if you look upon them. When the girl I'm around up in the comment section and I tap, no, I couldn't be ordinary people in the bus, so. You have to have something that inspire a person to be to drawn to you for you to be boss. Enough of them lava pick up and try for boss, and some of them not gonna away. Them don't even pass airport. And me, at the true definition, I wanna lava good creation, Rosalie so. I lava boss me. Me, I want the true definition. I will lava boss. Some chat and laugh days. That's why in the world, I go. Him name for the pan the banner. True definition. Am I shape bad boss me? Come and have confident. Cause some people is not that confident. A long time I shape so till now, me I take down the come and have the whole back again in. But if on the man draw around, I take it week by week. I'm gonna start to slim down. Come back the bigger than this. Me I move from 4X at 3X me I wear now. 3XL. And me I come from 5 to 4 3 me there. When me go over fashion over me I add something. Me can add a 3XL outfit. If it have look a stretchy night, my buy it because if it have look a stretchy night, look a roomy night. Me buy one 3XL skirt and I'm gonna take it in tomorrow. So we go somewhere because it's too big. Me have to just try it on. Me I move from 5X to 4 to 3. Me not have the whole back again. Me I slim down, me I tone down. Me I put myself together. Me I check for my health. Me I work for me. And I see me I work for my jakes. When me deliver there, sit down and feel me look big, I look like how. You see me have my neck. Normally me have no neck. Yeah. Can you see me shape like triangle? We can show the world we're slimming down, you know? Yes, we show the world we are slim down. We're not so big again like the ordinary. See there? We don't have to hold our back. We don't have to hold our back. We don't have to hold our back. We don't have to hold our back like one time. Because we have to take care of ourselves. We don't have to hold our back like one time. Every day we are get pretty and pretty every day. We're comfortable in our skin. This is utmost comfortable. When lava says them can say I'm proud. We don't have to hold our back. So we'll lift them here now, take out the belly now. I will go so now. No hold our back now there. See there? We cannot turn me neck and look at myself so. You know me wrong. I couldn't do one time. We are cut down. We are work for ourselves. We are fixed ourselves. We are fixed ourselves. We work for we. So we never run come over. Oh, she shape bad and you shape like triangle. Long time. My legacy start from here, there. And all of uno were attached to me, and so comes people can sue no up on TikTok. But it's because of me make people see some of uno. Some of uno don't make no name for yourself all now. A raw shadow una live in. Una live under my legacy, all of uno. From Jakes go down to my mama, from my legacy, from Jakes to my mama, to my sister, all of uno live under my legacy. Something that I put my time, effort. We put my time in it, we put my effort in it to make it work. And it will not live after. So no way at all, you can ever say you can bring me down. You live under my legacy, something where me create. Nobody know from no way. People only know you because you are rose related. So you can't bring me down. Me create things. I'm the founder for this. Me are the founder for all of this. So if you come over here and get one bed because I rose and get it. If you come over here get money because I rose me gonna get it. Every single thing wanna get past social media because I rose and get it. Like when me, Rosalie, can say every single thing when me get past social media because I lava make me get it because I emboss me. Wake up and smell the coffee and wise up. Because I love everything on my own life, I love and I have it. Me never come from them. There was a street side vendor down at home, black like tar. I sell peanut, pan 2 piece of board knock up under one dirty umbrella. Black like tar. All of this stuff, I love make people know me. I love I'm a boss from. So when me own a life, I love and give me exposure, I have it. So when me create over here, when me create over Instagram to reach over here, I eat una live off. I can't attach to me. I know I'm grateful. Every day no one come bring me down. Every single day. And the higher the monkey climb, I get exposed. I remember God not sleep. Remember calm at the run on the doorstep. I not say nothing yet. We just show the world what type of people no be every day. Cause all people not like me a friend uno. All people not like me a friend uno. No one said them the people that say them are rose related. Them the people are the wickedest of the people. Them know. Them just not say it. They know all of them on the walk on friend. No so now wicked. No show up on yourself long time ago. No show up on yourself to the people them long time. Like here them I say, they know the truth, them just yam it. Cause them don't want to give me no winnings, but guess what? Me no want none. Me don't want none. You come and your body shame. Me see a screen card put me up with triangle shape on me in front of me. I say watch ya. Me just laugh. Me just laugh. Cause there's no way on earth you could have really come out. Oh, your shape body, the top heavy. Ain't I your baby mommy? And that top heavy girl turn into a father. I'm never gonna argue with him. I'm gonna come calm, cute, and generously. And that top heavy girl turn into a father. When did I look for turn father? When I look for turn a father, you never go find a slim chick. And that top heavy girl turn into a father. And a girl when not beard, breathe for you 4 times. Another girl away. Now brush her teeth and stink left you. So what are you saying? You just company that can prove say, oh, half a waste man you are to some ladies. Cause like me, you hear this baby mother now. I'm know the whole blood class story from me jump. You could get a rose from me. Me not say nothing. Come is a dirty man. Imagine you over here in our class, Hakim day out. I talk a pure things. I when I see him woman I road, I want even kiss him woman. Hey. Yes, Hakim I done for you. Yeah. You over your class, Hakim day, Hakim have something you want, you can't get back. And if Hakim shut him your eyes, so him know me not go back to you. Who do I? Me look like mascot? Nope. And you come and you bust liberty, you go on, you class. And you dip up on your class, you go on in your class. And I'm still Rosalie. And the people them she jealous. Rain is falling outside. The people them, oh, she jealous and she want jealous girl and she jealous. She jealous. I don't even know what I'm jealous for or what I could have really jealous for. I move and have my blood clad, nice, clean man when I can throw. I can suck off all him toe to all him clean. I don't know when I would have really jealous. I mean, I go backward in my life, you know. Because I couldn't go take 2 steps front way and then take 2 more steps, go 3 more steps, go back. That even make no sense. Me would even put down. Alright, me would put a my team would have disappointed than me, but me that bring down myself as a woman. If see me come out as something and go back in it, that don't make no sense. Coco Ben, oh, me feel go backward in a life. You can't leave somebody and go back to them. That I'm in a sense. Why you leave in the first place? Or if you leave somebody for better and go back to where I come from. It is that me could have moved from CV and say I go back and go live for what reason? Why me leave there in the first place for? In the first place for? Yeah? Who? Wrong number. You crazy? Is it me I walk a look person as different? The only reason if me I walk a look see place not different, I put my pin them because them can't come on my yard to certain things. I mean, I look back and see you. No? Because I know some of them don't like me, especially my family them. Some of them don't like me, especially my family them. You know, when I leave CV and can go back down there, I feel proud. When I see somebody drunk and them like me, I can look around them and say, she moving on, she find a better man. You crazy? Are you crazy? You crazy? Somebody can't work my love, man. You know what I mean? All who did have the back in them head will be out. Mr. Murray like Akim 50 chance with me more than give Jakes one. Jakes have no more chance with blood clot me, no more. No more, none so ever. So I don't know what you feel like. I'd rather give Akim 50 much. 50 chance about that with me. 50, you can't get none. You crazy? Me? Not me. What's that? Me say me a mascot. What up, chat? And let me tell you what the problem is, so. When I see me analyze, coming out stupid. Jakes always want to look at one up. And my sister want to be like me. Because you say she have on my clothes. She's still in my clothes when I left down there. And the other bedroom I have the smaller version of the other bedroom I have itchy in yesterday per live. I don't even look on her. And the whole I know, but the way them a burn her gas station, do this to that. I mean, I say, what is wrong with all of these people? Someone will never, ever live to see my downfall. Come and have none forget. It's all my wicked mama, but you put out your breast, never put out your breast, but you ball. Nobody ball for me, miss, go ball to God. You are one wicked woman. And now when you feel like you make it, you're not gonna make it gonna make on heart too dirty and not too bad man of the family on a red eye. Because one of the one family no get it, because they expect say me that go compare bad taps and roses and mine, till the end of the time. I'm not gonna get that because my aunt who live in England, they called me a long time ago and say, Rose, Ali, don't make them yam out your money, save your money. When some of your family members call you, don't answer them because don't make them ask you when they have your money, where they do it when they have it. And them say, wanna go laugh for you. Don't look me niece. I mean, that's what me not look for you. Yeah. That's why I'm gonna look for you. She said, my niece, don't make them near me out. The house don't have see even me, Rosalie could have fixed it up, but just choose not to. Come and I go fix it up and then here me have to leave. I too more live free. Me a big woman, find somebody go pay bills, because you have grown. Move around and the people don't like you. My woman don't like me, Because she expects, so she have me, but give her the world. And my sister, I try to run on my footstep and she don't know the style and the pattern. My baby father ever want a one up where you will never, ever get. Because me really go argue, we go bedroom for bedroom. Close to close. Pocketbook for pocketbook. We go with things to argue with you. I mean, we don't have nothing. So that's why we're not going to argue with you. We're going to make the world know so the chapter close. Pocketbook for pocketbook. I'm going to draw from a BMW key and say, look here now. I want my shape bad, I have my car key. Because one of them get say no. One always put me down, one always put down Rosalie. And Rosalie always find a way to rise out of the ashes. Because he's a phoenix. Who watch Dancehall Queen? When Alavin go to go on and wine and go on and wine and she go up her slim self and she go on per master, she go on. Sometimes you have people running to motivate you. But that's what say, what you do? The people more them love you. Are you the crowd that rep for straight? What she do? She just go, she just say, pass me wig. And when she go up there, she rock the crowd right to a she win. There can only be one winner. And the winner is the mystery lady. Oh? And she was just an ordinary. She was just a ordinary street side vendor. Top put down people. Now look on you. Because you class me, my rank. You cost me, not try the price of rice. You fling me this, you dash me that. Because people don't see me for me as is already, Huh? Red eye. Gaza light. Ambition over shape. Name over shape. A whole pound is so long about who should not receive you, she will never elevate. I remember when me a clap, me just clap and done. Me not listen to the noise of the market. And the sales me look out for. Me a real born hustler. I know for juggle balls very well. Yeah. I know for juggle balls very well. Me a real true different if I'm not into something. I'm in a bossy, I'm in a hype, I'm in a show off. And that's why I'm still going to see if you look the two people, I'm still know. When I know down there, we know like me from the get-go. So all I know, and she pay muscle to beat up. Here me pay muscle for beat up, La Marsha Allen. Me not pay muscle for beat up nobody. And them gal never like a long time. You could buy them out for eat me. You try that. It no work. Me don't even pay nobody for do nothing to nobody. What I can do it myself. Only easy if I catch money on a problem, when I have money problem. Me give most 100,000 for putting her bar. Because she's a trying girl. How I mean trying girl is a girl we go get up on time money to our partner to our little house. On time money, to our little drink out, throw things in our bar. On time money is a go get a girl like myself. I remember on the same when I sit down and I criticize the girl or nothing in the guy bar. So I say, alright then, like when nothing in our bar, I'm there so big. I must give my friend 100,000 put in our bar. Me never get nobody nothing for it nobody. Me give the girl the money for putting our bar, which is business. Top tell lie. Coming in and go to my money. Count our cruff. Me not give non-progressive element people my things. Yeah. Because when I give non-progressive element people their things, you turn them in a beggar for latch by you. That's why I give my things, you know? Because she come out today and create tantrum and get and she missing when her pocket full. It's when she want more money, she come back, come create another side of tantrum. Get up, go look something though. And the 100,000 madam, go buy things put in your bar, girl. Buy a local liquor them for sell your things them. Me you come support you. Why not? Me not get non-progressive element me things. Me like to see young people strive. Someone not throw the definition of a cuff. I mean, I come out today for class, nobody coming really tonight. I come for wise on the count and have no sense. And my cruff sister, his little girl is 18, he's a little cruff. At the first the money you also on social media, you want go eat, you want put on the dearest ear. You not reached nowhere for that yet. You don't even try to say you throw one look partner and save something. You not ready for that yet? So those hype, you don't want hype, and those boss, you don't want boss. You know, so I start save my money for you before me even buy clothes. Yeah. My first gift when I get panty, I start save my money. Them time I come every day, I also want 100, I also want 200, I also want 300. I start to save my money. Pure food and relax myself. Me not buy no clothes. No clothes. No clothes me not buy. Me naked. Because I don't tell myself that me now go back to where me I come from. So if the chapter close to me on social media, I'm supposed to can buy a local vehicle and make it run taxi. I'm supposed to can buy a local van, go to China, get some clothes, and go down a farm. Go say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, people. Gather. I can't go back into the streets, go also where I earn. Flip it. I'm still going to tell look a Bigfoot donka gal say, I know where you earn and where you save. But you can't walk in, I'm a shadow girl. Because this is not 1 month and 2 months and 3 months of rising. This is take years. You take years to build an empire. You take years to build a business. Business can't start today and flourish tomorrow. And whoa, no go so. When the business, you have good days in a business and bad days in a business. You have to set yourself in a life. To when you set yourself in a life where you reach a peak, this is not, I will never go back to that. So you set yourself in our position, you now go back there so. But if you stay in a school and a love man, you don't know what I talk about. Yeah. And I sit here and I told you you're young. Oh, I'm smart. You're not smart. You're a jackass. You're not smart. You're a jackass. Save your money. Me tell you that. Me say save your money. Learn to save your money. I know where you earn, how you save. Learn to save your money. You see me look like me friend for going away? No one get me go a look party. No one get me drink look liquor. No one get me you pass and me go see if I'm a pass and me say all the box I'm going to go punch into a number. I look on it and just laugh for your time and just walk away. I save my money. So when I move come here, I'm set up in everybody say Airbnb, me still there after January in April. Me still there Airbnb. Everybody say blood clot, yeah. I'm a wise. A wise man build them house upon the rock. A four people build a house upon the sun. And you want make case and do things. You can't hurry, no hurry come up. Cook a hurry pot and see how it tastes. And cook a pot where you spend time and cook and taste the difference. And you know what them problem? I them here talk, you know what them problem? The whole of them are some stuff bad-minded people who they run me a long time and I can't say become hard clean. And when the whole of them sit down and join together and crucify me with words, Father God stand up and me look at them and say, you can't go further. You now pass airport. You and they say you're stuck. And not in another them, not in another them intention. Them never put in the word and say, boy, bad too bad. Me not try to hurry no card, the girl help me. Jakes, you have a person should have never even come on social media. Say you want to body shame me and tell me about bill and tell me about nothing at all. But they were there for 12 years and you never ever buy me one pair of slippers. You have a person, when you hear people talk about me, should have to shut up, leave her, make you stay, I have nothing to say. But don't even laugh. But you give them empty what them say about me, you give them the ammunition. And when I give them the ammunition, they don't show up yourself how ungrateful you are. I have sit and I have ride with this. From 2000 I hold me there on social media. Gone are the days them so class almost 30 and I can't move around and class Jake so oh Jake's a thief. Him a thief. Him a criminal. Him a gunman. Him put him me and my look at that and mate the whole of them when I sit down in class yo and tell you oh you me and my pick me and mate you a gunman you a thief you a this you a that and then I see you walk around a friend. You look so stupid though. And that does show you say all along you around me, you were just an enemy. So I don't know what me I do with you. Ever again in my life. Ever. I mean I thought this loud, you know. Me no want an argument, I don't need to call my phone. You don't call back my phone. Do not call back my phone. Now wait until 1 month after the argument I done, and I wait until it's sick. Every time it seems like me acting no good, you ring my phone. I don't want you call my phone. Do not call back my phone. I'm done with you. I'm done with mama. Alamash, I'm done with you now. Do not deal with me. Because you know, I understand say I am going places and I don't want to no come. I don't reach out man for draw on behind me no more. I don't want to be behind me. I'm done with you now. And so I don't argue. I don't go down no way for discourage nobody. I don't argue with you now. Do not call my phone. I move on. I find a better man. Me alright. And as I said before, I said this, but I'm going to say this again. I'd rather get Akim 50 chances with me. No one I get Jakes 1. Jakes don't have any chance with me. But just talk to you because we have kids. I'm want to say better for you so it can ricochet back on them. That is what I wanted. More want say better for you so you can ricochet back on them. But you don't make an ego system turn on a big fool. That's what I said to you. I have sit down, I have said to you that I better you go look at woman like you were willing to say, all right then, Monday morning at school, let me help you with your kids' lunch money, let me buy them shoes, let me buy them bag, let me help you with your kids. That's what I wanted for you. Because I saw me staying alive. The things that I wanted for myself, I wanted for everybody. Not to say I want you back, no. But to say, when big people, all right, we as big people, we have kids, and things are going through, it can ricochet back power putting them. That means if me come here and my rank and me have money, I'm putting them on anything in the world. It ricochet back on them because I can go buy them it. Like how them two scooter bus, I don't know where I got the wheel from. What call Roger? Yeah. Remember when we are at school, no knowledge is power, no don't have any knowledge. Because there's no way, there is no flipping way you can pick up. There is no flipping way you can pick up a person that has nothing and claiming you want me to get jealous and I'm crashing out. No way. The requirements that life carries, the woman will pick up don't have it. And life carry up her requirements. You cannot left from an independent woman or take up somebody who have to depend on you. Of course she's a child. She's a child. Of course she's a child. You go left me, you go talk about child and say she about me. What shape and size have to do with nothing? Shape and size not have to do with nothing. A man, all the boy them will fly out, go foreign. Go take up the big woman over there, big and stay bad like myself. Them see what them seeing at them. Some people married for papers till them eventually stay. What Jakes now understand and Jakes will never get. No man now run from a successful woman. No man now run from a girl that will have success. A man would have pick up a girl who can start life with because she have something. Me now run from a successful man. No. Uno say all the earth run. Man left woman with 2 foot and take up woman who have no foot and there with them and married to them. Which man run down Croft? Eh? So where you gonna come and show? Don't come and show nothing. Stop. Share myself on social media. You know sense. How you leave from a girl where you can beg to a girl where you have to give. You say back where they are going to life. Miguel, thank you. You send for a bad girl and she's not bad in. I'm a send for a bad boy. A bad boy. And he has something you can't get. He's very ironic. Akeem has something you will never get back, Jakes. Never. Yeah. You will never get it back. Never. Because you have it before, you had it before, you play tricks and you play games. You're not playing no tricks and games. I'm serious. Never. Never. Yeah. Because here you come talk about how you teach me how to bathe. But I mean teach you how to bathe. I'm like, you teach me how to bathe? I mean teach you how to bathe and brush your teeth. And yet still every day you look dirty. So how comes you teach your man to bathe and brush them teeth when you don't even know how to bathe and brush your teeth? Make it make sense. Or you want to crack jokes because you have to be joking. Because that don't even make no sense. That don't even make no sense. You wanna make sense? You need to shut up. That don't need for the shut up. Come play live, click a live. Nobody follow me in an argument because you're not going to win. All you do is expose yourself. How can me come say me teach a man for beard? I mean not even a beard. You not beard? You never look clean yet. What they must to you say, you can't go there look at house where you go do your life. You say, I eat, you just start going out. I'm gonna tell you a long time ago, I have sit and I have told this man, stop focus on me and Akeem and focus on yourself and your channel things to your youth them. Because all you're still gonna focus on me and Akeem. Because he has something you will so valuable to you you can't get back. Which is me. Because I know you don't care about nothing else in the world but me. All of them the people that appear sham. I am so confident in what I'm saying. It's just the truth. I know that from at all at time. Because you know why I know say why I know it and I can tell it. When I leave you, you don't know when I leave you for you just see me gone. And when you leave a man still hanging, him can't get over it. I'm gonna leave him hanging. Aki when I said to him, say, Rose, don't leave me hanging. Me leave you hanging. You can't get over it. Me walk from me, you don't know where me walk up to now. You don't know where me walk where. From up to now, you still have it in your delusional mind. Because Jakes is very delusional. And you still don't tell yourself the lie and believe it. You still have in your delusional mind say, a war, I'm so come back. After so many months, you still have to tell yourself, say, me at war, I'm so come back because war. That's something what you used to. We're still at war, I'm so come back. It's something you're used to. So you're delusional. How a delusional person make up a lie and believe it? Only a delusional person make up a lie and believe it. You're delusional. When I come by here, oh, Akima this, you know come here, Akima this and Akima that and Akima this and Akima that. But you still want him, woman. You miss all of these things and you still want him, woman. Make it make sense. You sit down your class the man daily, you sit down and class the woman daily. But when life like off, you run, you broke your neck, you call on phone. Haven't you move on and I move on? Week before last day I see you. Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night, up to Monday night. I'm going to stay out of your eyesight. Around the road, I know most of the country. I'm from Upper Sidu. I'm from Upper Sidu. To run a dashi. To one time run at the ball field. I'm gonna go do my regular activities, slow and chat and laugh. With my friend them from a Tyler time, we will make history together. I'm ready and done. I just call my Uber and come at my yard. Yeah. And someone still deflect and miss to the point. I don't care who you want to do it. I don't care. All I care is about them kids. We don't want to see them dirty. We don't want to see them head dirty. We want to see them in a good slippers. We want to see them in a good clothes. And we want them eat and go to school. That is what I care about my kids. I don't care who you want to do it, sir. Me not care. And then sometime, we don't understand, that man is so donkey that if you not cuss him don't do the right thing. That's why I always have him a cuss. Him is very rough and donkey. You know, you have some pit in the yard where you say, go bed. Yes, mommy. And now when you tell them to go bed from 10 o'clock and now when 5 o'clock come, them still down bed. You have to literally get up and cuss them or slap them to go take a shower. That is Jakes. That's why I have to always have him a cuss. Him donkey, bad. You have to tell him one thing over and over and over and over. You have to have him up and repeat pan him if he move up. You know, say me stop talking about the house and it stop further. You know, blind? And since what they say, you can't go into the house, you know, say you can't go into the house and put two board at the two board night and put linoleum on ground and put one light in it and put one bed night and sleep in there. I don't have it roofing already. Make you see him start going out and go to live. He never used to show it. Because you're a donkey. That is the only reason why I'm cuss you. Exactly. That's the only reason why. Me alright, I'm comfortable. I'm glad when I met the phrase, I left me wealthy and lonely. I'm ready to give Boss a 50 chance. What did I...
It's on something then just you're good? The Kingston.
Happy in Kingston.
Let me see.
I'm ready to give Boss a 50 chance with me. I can't get back now. I move on, I'm comfortable, I'm alright. But she come say, my bad dog food, my full of. And sometimes I'll punch her, she give me shit too much. Wife warmer! I'm not gonna come argue. I move on, I find a better man. They do a close chat. The door close. The entire world know my shape bad. I may have my name. Chat, remember 5,000 people there. So remember, click the link in my bio to order the ticket for the 26. So I'm going to order the ticket them from now for the 26. The girls them will never foreign when I have it take the fly out and don't borrow the don't payment fly out. Government who can't pay by the government. Oh, 5,000 people who want the party nice. That Rosalie celebration. So you can click the link in the bio here and order the ticket for the 26th. And you can go over Instagram, on my page, go click the link in that bio to order the ticket. So chat to the ticket order, just as if we not come, we not cry. Just as we never ask that. Because I know it could miss you, or if you have the flu. So click the link in my bio to order the ticket. So this is how you click the link. Chat, remember, order up the ticket them. Wait. Here's the page. You click on the link and you order the ticket. So go order some ticket, guys. When my nice clean man start him live, you know, go over to go order in the cabana. Remember June the 26th, now normal. June the 26th, I talk about who want to rush out and run out and a good clean support of them. It's a celebration. It's a celebration. Coming on a dime for see Rosie. But Mrs. Rosie says a flowers. So order a ticket. I'm trying to ticket to order today. So who order them ticket just say I. 5,000 people there. So we must get some good order. 5.3K. We must get who order them ticket say I do. Go order a ticket that we are doing, but it we already about. It we are talk about. So she go order a ticket there. Who else go order them ticket that we are talk about? Say man crazy order a ticket. Go order a ticket. Say stash order. Go order a ticket. Click the link in the bio and order a ticket for the 26th. Just did, yes. Get on a ticket. Carry away come on out with my man come go over there. Order a ticket. I thought we are talking about now. Say turn the ad order a ticket. For the fans that live in Jamaica, we're going to have the outlet them money can go purchase on a ticket. 3,000. Yeah. Add up on a ticket. Yeah. A pair of things I got. Debbie, rush out and roll out. So fabulous JJ, you should come. I'm not coming over the accent nothing. Yeah, I got there. So trying to call my phone, but if you look Airbnb for you, you know. Come on, but you tell me say you gotta look Airbnb, you know, trying to call my phone for look Airbnb for you. Come on, I gotta look none. You want Airbnb. If you look, no pay no mind. Just I don't like to be seen. Try click the link in that buy and order the ticket. We'll go over that warrior. I know your time judge at work me there. I beg something. Eat and drink something.
You.
What
What do you mean by you?
Huh?
What do you mean by you?
Where am I?
You not so weird, girl. Maybe it's where you want it?
I don't know. You're the one who requested me. You know.
Yo, what with the man?
No, I'm out with my friends. I'm with my friends.
Where?
I'm at Prada. I'm at Prada. I can't play you right now, though.
Why not? We ready?
Okay, let's go. Let's play. Okay. Okay, let's play. Come.
Stand up.
Why have you got 5,000 people?
Because me are done.
Huh?
Because try quiet game. Because me are done.
Yes, it's a quiet game, correct. You know. Good. It's a quiet game. Let it be a quiet game. Okay.
Chat first give time. Chat me we are play match with. Chat me we are play match later with World Dog. I remember the ticket them chat. Me want to sell 2 tickets.
Times 3 guys. Everybody together. Hi, any guys. Everybody together, guys.
To Ginger there. Try to remember to purchase your tickets. She always come here without smoking a chat. I come not for herself. Always. So one time, Mr. Chad, one time, gonna back. No, and I need me clean. When I go so clean, no toilet bump. I really lose weight, you know.
I'm telling him to tap you.
Shut up. I really lose weight, you know, chat on my neck. I'm fabulous. Thanks to my man. Chat focus. Konnichiwa. Sano lala. Chat, remember purchase on a ticket. Click the link in my bio. 2 and out.
Everybody get the speed.
Girl will see, them can't read.
Guys, everybody get the speed chat.
Yeah.
Everybody together. Haley, thank you. Guys, one more hand hot we get.
Girl, them can't read.
Guys, get the speed chat. Get the speed. One more. Guys, one more hand hot chat. One more hand hot. Guys, activate. Thank you, Haley. Thank you. Shut up. I can't even be insulting you in such a store with decorum. I can't let you be bringing my decorum down. I can't even be letting you like ruin my aura. The audacity. I'm sitting here in Prada, you're sitting here in your Halloween clothes. There are levels to this, baby girl. Those kids are coming to your door. Knock. Trick or treat. 5,000 people, let them come this side and watch what's going on. 5,000 people, let them come this side. You're the one who requested me, right? You're the one. I'm chilling here. I'm doing real life streaming. Can you shut the fuck up? My man. The man you only see every 3 business days. Do we give a damn? Kwasia, Olosho, Ashawo. I'm so fabulous. I'm so great. I'm so demure. Okay, so what? Go and add it to your CV now. You get a job, you leave this TikTok thing. If you're so great, go and add it to your CV. Since it's supposed to change my life, right? Let me see. Goodness. I didn't even see. Oh my gosh. To go. Let me tell you. You said I don't have smoke, right? Wait, who's Jer? Juicy, she's gone down. She no longer got sense. Justice for Juicy. Loyalty me say straight. Aries, Lisa, Joey Jones. Bubbles like constipation. I don't even know what's going on. Rose, you're so finished. On a serious note, 5,000 people that side. They can't do shit. Nobody that can drop 2 lines. There are people, even here, people who are shopping in the store. They're coming here to check my screen. They're laughing at you. Oh wait, there's nobody here. This is a private room. Sorry, there's nobody this side. Kwasia. Rose, when will you stop looking like a joke? Just a question. When will you stop looking like a joke? When will you start dressing like a grown-ass woman? Since you want me to stand up, right? When will you start dressing like a grown-ass woman? When will you start dressing very mindfully, very demure, very petite, very pretty? Just a question. When will you stop looking like Halloween? When will you stop looking like Halloween? All you can do is laugh there on your 11,900 points. They can't do shit, baby. They can't do shit for you. Unfortunately, they can't do shit. Very mindful, very demure. Block anyone that's saying this one is my sister. Block anyone who's saying this one is my sister. Kwasia. It's not that. I'm asking if you like it. Thank you, Fabulous. Thank you so much, Fabulous. Thank you, Fabulous.
Like a recharge and play.
They can't recharge. They can't do shit. I'm doing first to 3 with you, then I'm going. I don't have time for bullshit. I'm busy enjoying my shopping experience. You want to come here and try me? Are you normal? Thank you so much, Greg. MVP. Thank you so much, Greg. Thank you so much. You have a glove. Haley, thank you, my baby. Fabulous. Thank you so much. Moon, UK Classic, Good Next, Amanda, Cheka, Kirk, Newaza. Thank you, guys. 500 people, guys. Teamwork. We are doing first to 3 wins. Hey, Mamacita, can you come here and accept the game? Can you freaking come here and accept the game?
Chat focus.
With your shirt there that, like, I don't even know. Like it's melting. Kwasia. Guys, everybody double tap the screen. Guys,
Chat,
follow all of our
focus.
MVPs. We win 2
Focus,
games,
chat.
we go. We win 2 games, we go, guys. Everybody double tap the screen. Galaxies, hand hearts, money guns together,
Chat,
guys.
focus.
Just because there's somebody in here, it doesn't mean that we don't need teamwork, guys. Teamwork makes the dream work. We want you
Work
to be getting
together,
gloves. We want
first
people
give
to be
time
following you.
stream.
We want good things to happen for you guys, okay? So everybody double tap the screen. Everybody double tap the screen. V, thank you. Moe, thank you. Clean, thank you. UK Classic, thank you.
First
gift
gift
times 3, chat. First gift from each person is going to multiply by 3. Double tap, double tap, double tap, guys.
Everybody have to play. It's called teamwork. Everybody have to play a chat. Want to make sure chat's enough. We have to play a chat. We have to play. We have to recharge and play a team. Everybody have to work together. We have to go recharge something and play one, push something. I hope enough for we there. You need to go find a man who can see me in a tree. Be shut up. Shut up your mouth.
You know who's here? Told you.
I don't wait about with the girl. Go find a man who can see in a tree business there. Be a help you squeeze out the bum from around here, so. I'm in Prada with them, but you in a Prada, you buy something for yourself. You because a man a care about one Prada store. Is a man a care about one Prada store? You're too look a bit enough. Try to for work together because she get out of hand with her mouth. 20 rows. She get out of hand with her mouth. Chat, use the times 3. Everybody have to play. Chat, everybody have to play. We have to play them a come. Everybody have to play chat. Come on my side. Everybody have to play. Everybody have to use the triple chat. Guys, we can't watch them score. Everybody have to drop. Everybody have to drop chat. Everybody have to play. Everybody have to play my side. Play a team them a come. We have to play. Team we have to drop. We have to play them a bumbo. Play chat. Play. When
Shut the fuck up. Can you please shut up? Kwasia all of the book bomber clap, pussy clap, rasta clap. You talk too much. You talk too much. Learn to relax yourself. Let me tell you, between me and you, I'm your mommy, okay? I'm your boss. I'm your leader. I'm your hope and inspiration. I'm everything that you want to be, okay? So please be quiet. Have some demureness. Your one strand of hair, that's the only living thing on your head. That's the only living thing there. All the rest of your hair is dead. Can you shut up? You want to drop a glove against Greg and Ja and Bussy.
Shut the fuck gloves.
Can you shut up? Rosalie, can you shut up? Kwasia olorubruku ashawu akuna kuna wazaga hotel. You come here, I'm chilling, I'm shopping, I'm being demure, I'm being mindful. You come here, you want to play me? She doesn't have smoke, chat. She doesn't have smoke.
Gloves.
With your rotten tongue piercing there, you want to come here and tell me I don't have smoke? And you don't have dental hygiene. And you don't have dental hygiene. You don't have dental hygiene. Yes, you don't have dental hygiene. Yes, I said it. Let's go, Ja. Everybody follow Ja, guys. Everybody follow Greg. Everybody follow Belakazi. One more game we win, guys. We get out. One more game we win, we get out.
Practice not the hygiene.
Can you shut up? Where's Twiggy? Where's where are the cleaners today? There's a mess on aisle 4. You are aisle 4. You are aisle 4. Kwasia. Broke lady, broke imbecile there. You're making all this money on TikTok. You can't even level it up. You can't even up your fashion sense. You can't even be ordering from Fashion Nova. You can't even be ordering from I don't know. You can't be going to Torrid. Kwasia, very disgraceful, very unmindful. You see what you're doing? You're the one who called a quiet game, but you're talking. I didn't come here and I didn't say anything. You are the one who's calling a quiet game, but you're barking.
Gloves.
You're the one who's talking, but you are the one who called for a quiet game. Are you sensible?
Chat gloves.
Did you bath today? Did you take a shower? Did you, I don't know. Did you do something? Can you tell me, did you take a shower today? Did you do something?
Chat with no more gloves.
She's upset.
Me one beard.
She's upset.
Me one beard.
I don't give a shit. It's not my business.
Me one beard.
Guys, last game after this, okay? Last game.
Chat for work together.
Ja, thank you so much, my baby. Thank you so much, Ja. Thank you, Greg. Thank you so much, Belakazi. Thank you, Haley, Moon, Raquel, and Moe, J-Star, UK Classic. One game, guys. One game. Last game. PNP, thank you. Moe, thank you. One game, chat. Last game. Can we go together, guys? Everybody, tiktok.com/coin. Last game, chat. Last game. MVP Greg, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ja. Thank you, Bella Kazi. Thank you, Haley Moon, Raquel, Ann, Moe, J Star, UK Classic.
What you buying,
Thank you so
Prada?
much, guys. Last game. Teamwork, guys. Teamwork. 841 points, guys. 841 people. Last game, chat. Teamwork, galaxies. We are 800 people, guys. If a few people can drop galaxies, guys, jets or whatever, we'll be fine. Okay? This girl, she walks around the app feeling herself like she's the shit, like she's got, I don't know, like we must all collapse. Let's win this game, we go. We don't have business with her. We don't have business. We ain't got it, chat. We don't have business.
Chat. First give times
guys,
three.
use your triples, chat. Use your triples.
First give
use your
times
triples,
three,
chat. 900 people. Can we play together? Moon, thank you. Jehovah, thank you. Last game, chat.
Use your triples, play together.
Use your triples.
Last together, chat. If I play together, everybody have to drop. If I play together, chat. Everybody have to play together, chat. Play together. Come on, my side. Play together. Make a play. Come on, team. Have to play together.
Play where? Where are we playing? What are you doing? Thank you, Greg. Thank you, Ja. Thank you, Bella Kazi. Thank you, Thick. Last game.
Chat. If I play together. Pretty boy, whip on the triple, my baby. Whip on the triple, auntie. Whip on the triple, chat. We're going to deal with the bad bill blood clot, yes, sir. I love TikTok shop and the team.
Shh, we don't get what you love. Go and love yourself first, and go and love the shower. Go and love soap. Go and love deodorant. Go and love perfume. Go and love new clothes before you come here and you love TikTok shop. Cause see ya. Talk too much. I don't know why you think I'm your mate for you to just be coming to request me. Honestly, you've fallen off, to be honest with you, if I'm being honest with you. Where are the card cleaners? There's cleanup on aisle number 4. Hi, Bobby. There needs to be a cleanup. Who are these people? Let me see this one with the wig. It doesn't even know which direction. Very boo. Goodness, next. Gosh, I'm just wasting time looking at your bubbles. There's nothing to be looking for there. Can you reimburse me for the time? Why are you talking? 938 people. Why are you talking? Are you stupid? Are you fine? Hi, biggest. Last game, guys. Last game. We win this game. We say deuces and we get out. You think you can just come? You think you can just come here and ambush me and think I don't know? I was just chilling. I said no. I will find you tomorrow. You could have avoided this heartbreak, but you're very stubborn. 2 hand hearts, guys. 2 hand hearts. Thank you.
I can't read again.
I can read. Can you read? That's the real question. Can you read? For real? Can you read?
Look good. Double chat. Chat. Everybody have a play on the double chat. Everybody have a play on the double. Everybody have a come on and chat. Me could use the double chat. Everybody have a play on the double. Use the double.
Guys, use time.
Come on, guys. Use the double. Everybody have to use the double chat. Come on, my side. Everybody chat on the double. Marley. Ooh. Play team. Have to play.
Everybody on the glove. Bella Kazi, thank you. Guys, everybody on the glove. It's not over, guys. Everybody go on the glove, guys. Everybody go on the glove. Times 5, guys. 5 times 5 times 5, guys. Everybody go on the glove, guys. Times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Everybody on the glove, guys. Everybody on the gloves. Cha! Miss Parker, guys, make sure you're following all of our gifters, guys. Everybody make sure you're following all of our gifters. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Everybody, W teamwork, guys. Please follow all of our gifters. Please follow Greg. Please follow Ja. Please follow Bella Kazi. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. You talk too much. You feel yourself as the queen on this app with no demureness, no mindfulness, no elegance, no grace.
Chat, drop our gloves. We don't have gloves. Can drop chat? Check on the gift box if you never gloves and drop it. On that team, we want to argue the Greece woman. Come back.
You're talking. You're talking.
All right.
With your lips like Ice Age. Or Pangea, when the world was just one. Your lips like one and then it started to split slowly but surely. You want to come here and talk on my points? Guys, who has a glove, guys? Who has a glove? Who has a glove? Who has a glove, guys? Who has a glove? Who has a glove? Who has a glove, guys? We need to drop a glove, guys. Glove. Drop a glove, guys. Drop a glove. They're gonna snipe, guys. Drop a glove. Whoever has a glove, Von B, thank you. Empress, thank you, guys. Everybody, push the score.
Click on the gloves and shoot, chat. Click on the gloves and shoot.
Guys. Push the scores.
Come on, guys. Click on the gloves and shoot. Click on the gloves and shoot.
Everybody,
Can't snipe on the glove shot. We now have a push. Can't snipe.
We win this game. We're done, guys. Everybody, push the score. Anna, thank you, baby. Everybody, push the score. Chat. Ja, thank you, my angel. Thank you, Ja. Thank you, Bella Kazi. Thank you, Mrs. Williams. Thank you so much. Ha! Shit! Goodness.
You should have yourself.
Goodness.
Of God.
It's okay.
TikTok shop, I love you.
Thank you so much. Greg, thank you so much. Ja, thank you so much. Bella Kazi, thank you so much. Miss Parker, thank you so much. Haley, thank you so much. Kelly, thank you so much. Mrs. Williams, thank you so much. Fuck you, Felix, thank you so much. Moon, Anna, thank you so much, guys. Thank you. It's still 2-1. It's just first to 3. Thank you so much. What a snipe.
I don't want to win 2 more games.
Goodness.
Help her out. We're going to do teamwork, Panar.
Guys, everybody, we do teamwork, guys. We keep doing teamwork, guys.
Play together,
Keep doing teamwork, guys. Everybody double tap the screen.
Everybody talk on the phone.
Double
Play
tap
together,
the screen,
team.
guys. Everybody double tap the screen. You guys are doing so amazing. Thank you so much, guys. Everybody double tap the screen. 1,400 people. Please make sure you're following all of our gifters, guys. Whether you're dropping roses, whether you're dropping jets, whether you're dropping money guns, it's all good.
Come on, guys. Everybody is the first gift times 3. Come on, my side. Everybody have to use it for Everybody help out Fetty chat. We have to play a team, play chat, play. Come on, my side. Help out and play. Chat with your help out and play. You know part of the story I tell me about beard. You ever greasy? Show Tada. All factors you want, you know. You're not looking the more. I don't want to let do more. I don't want to let do more, miss. You're in the Prada store. You're looking so greasy in the Prada store. Greasy. One bag, you come like 1 box of grease. You want to come boy girl every day. Don't want to argument with me. I say if my man visit me every 3 business day, you need a man to visit even 1 2 hour out of business day. Come a man now visit you. You're in the product store, sit down and look. My mommy teacher forgot the hairdresser. You can't do live at the hairdresser. You forgot? But you're looking, I'm looking demure and you're looking choke up. Like when a toilet is choked up with a lot of tissue. That's what you're looking like today. You're looking demure.
Oh, so speech. Guys, everybody together, guys. Hey. 1,100 people, guys. Doesn't matter what you play. Just push the score. We just need to win 1 game and we are done, guys. It's 2-1. Just push what you can, chat. Everybody together. Everybody's together. Anna, thank you. Pretty, thank you. Let's get the speed, guys. Let's get the speed. 2 hand hearts. Peach, thank you. 2 hand hearts, guys. 2 hand hearts, chat. We're going to miss the speed. We need the speed, guys.
Try to have a help out vegetable and work on her like patient. I remember the man over there church all Zeus. If we work together, chat. Everybody have to play together, chat. Come. Chat with everybody have to use a double chat. Come on, chat tell the man for throw. Chat tell the Gregory in our background for throw there at the Prada store. Come on, my side. I want somebody we as a team. Come on, my side. Everybody have to use a double, my side. Everybody have to use a double. Chat, drop our gloves. Use the double and the gloves. Use the gloves. So Shan, they play together upon the gloves, chat. Use the gloves. Chat, tell the man in the Prada store what to do. Everybody have to play a team. Come on, my side. Everybody have to use the gloves, chat. Click upon the gloves and shoot. Come on, my side. Everybody have to play together, chat. Teamwork do this. Come on, chat. We try to go over 100K. Come on, my side. Everybody have to play together, chat. Play together. Come on, I'm going to snipe you. Play together, chat. We have to play together, team. Play together. Keep on use the gloves, chat. Come on, my side. Don't have a push can chop on the gloves, chat. See the gloves, yeah. Use the gloves, chat. Come on, my side. Use the gloves. Don't have more. Come, chat. Use the gloves. Chat with a play upon the gloves and use the gloves shot. Elport, Vetibo and Shan and the good girl them. Come on my side, we can carry on the best of 3. Use the gloves cheap, put over 80k. Chat we have another post. Oh Tada. I'm bright. You look like a boss in grease. I told you, girl. I told you from the beginning, and I told you in the end. Don't play with me. You look like a choke-up toilet, but looking demure. I wear what I want to wear. I got this. You look like a choke-up toilet. 1 box of grease. Don't you ever come on my phone screen and tell me how I look. Because you're the man version of me, and it kills you. Gloves chat. Chat drop our gloves. Chat drop our gloves. Chat gloves. Chat gloves. Check on the gift box to the gloves. Them are coming a chat. Them are coming a chat. Gift box with gloves. Gloves team. We don't have no more gloves. No matter the old woman get to it. We can't snipe. We don't have no more gloves chat. We don't have no more gloves. Lord God. We can't snipe chat. The whole world get way. And Sharon Greg are par, you know. I put your hole in our clothes.
So much. We are done, guys. We are done. Moe, thank you so much. Princess
Greg,
White,
you're
thank you
done.
so much. Okay, now I'm seeing my bubbles. Okay, there was teamwork. Thank you,
thank you
Mrs.
so
Williams,
much.
Anna, Marie, Miss Parker, J Star Moon, None Fake. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Beautiful. You guys did amazing. Thank you so much. Get out. Please go. Excuse
One,
me.
the friend
We are
that's
chilling
putting
now.
high score.
Please go.
One.
Go.
One cause Greg have no more money, go on.
I will see you maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Go.
Nobody see me go on with Greg in the shoot fin at the Prada store. Go on, bye.
Get out.
Chat we did phenomenal. I request you. You don't come.
No, I requested you yesterday. Last night, you didn't play. Day before that, you didn't play. Day before that, you didn't play. What happened? But I noticed when you lose, you don't come play back for a couple of days. You gather reinforcements. You call all your buddies. You don't play until you come back again strong. You remember, don't forget, Rosali. Your name is not even Akim. Your name is Rosali. Don't forget. For 4 years, you never beat me. Remember?
I don't care about beating you. I beat you all the time.
No, you don't.
Come! You're talking too much.
For 4 years, you never beat me. You know that, right? Now you lose. You don't even play anymore. Pathetic. Don't forget where you come from and don't forget who you are. Okay, small girl. Best out of 3.
Come, small man. Best out of 3.
There's only one small man and you know who that is. There's only one small man. You know who that is. Don't start it with me. Don't start it with me. Because I'll finish it. I'll finish it. I will. I will finish. There is only one small man.
Come the man. With the bag of talking.
Guys, anyway, double tell it's the first game of the entire day. And it will be the last game of the entire day.
Chat first gift times 3. Watch I help out. First gift times 3, chat. Chat first gift times 3. Chinese thank you. Everybody have to help out Chinese chat. Make a play team. First gift times 3. Come on my side. We have to play. I'm gonna go with this. Not look good enough. Chat first gift times 3. Chat we not have one wheel. I shall this alone there can put one memory. I'm gonna go with this. Not look good. I shall this alone there can put one money with about 3,000 people. And not a lot of views, you know. I'll go away. I'm not look no views. Chat, catch a double. Two and out. Joe Jones, thank you. Chat, I could use a double. Chat, use a double, chat. Everybody use a double. Use a double my side. Use a double team. Team, make we use a double. Use a double chat. Come on my side. Use a double chat. Use a double. Use a double. Use a double. Use a double my side. Use a double. Use a double. Use a double. Use a double. We don't have no more money go on my side. Use a double chat. Chan, use a double chat. Help out on the double. Use a double. Use a double. Use a double. Use a double. Guys, we don't have no more money go on. We don't have a local post. Lord God. Chat, use a double. Use a double. Use a double. Chinese, come on, chat. Help out. Help out. Snipe. Snipe the double chat. Snipe. You never have gloves. We on the gloves, chat. We on the gloves. We on the gloves, team. I am fucking starving. Fuck. We on the gloves, chat. We on the gloves. We can't snipe. I'm hungry. Nobody tank on us so much.
Gloves. Akeem, I'll come back.
Okay, later.
All right,
I'm
bye.
not no over smoke. I ain't got no over smoke either. I'm gonna look something to eat. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I bought this food yesterday when I go back Akeem and I tell you say I don't yam it. Rotted cup. No. I'm gonna eat when I eat yesterday. No. Like nothing. Chat. So much KW look. I remember I go play a match with World Dog. Remember I go play a match with World Dog for 8 o'clock. I'm gonna do something so. I'm gonna eat. Chat me look some Galaxy. That's all more. XX me look 2 Galaxy for you. Island Princess me look 2 Galaxy for you. Chat me look some Galaxy. I'm gonna do something and come back. You know what? Let me heat it up. Let me heat it up, then I share it out, cause I mean, chat me look some Galaxy. XX me look some Galaxy for you, my baby. Chat me look some Galaxy. Chat me look 25 Galaxy, my team. Sexy Chani, thank you. Chat me look 25 Galaxy. Sexy Chani, thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna do something. Yeah, I gotta go do something. Sexy Chani, can I get 3 more Galaxy, my baby? See, focus me, I look 2 Galaxy for you. Pretty Nisha, me I look 2 Galaxy. Forget me, I look 2 Galaxy. Trap me, I look 2 Galaxy. Tank get ready. Trap me, I look 2 Galaxy chat. Juicy Fred, thank you. Juicy Fred, thank you. Trap me, I look 20 more Galaxy, my team. Bubble, I can't let me 2 Galaxy. Trap me, I look 20 Galaxy. Come here, do something. Eat first, though. Trap me look 19 more galaxy. XX, thank you. XX. Ooh. Trap me look 13 more galaxy in my team. Bubbler. XXX of X. Bubbler. Wow. Follow.
Hello.
Get rid of some
One
of
but
Follow me.
okay. Okay, one game.
Follow.
Okay, one game a game.
Follow.
Okay, one game follow back.
Follow.
Wait.
Try me look 9 more galaxy in my team. Nikki. They must say we play one match with the World Dog later in the chat. Nikki.
Hi.
Hi, Drago. What's up? I found him at this increase. Chat me look 7 more galaxy chat. Trap me, I look 7 more galaxy. Ingrid, thank you. Trap me, I look 6 more galaxy team. Ooh. Trap me, I look 6 more galaxy. Trap me, look 7 galaxy. Chat. Me look 7 more galaxy chat. Trap me, I look 6 Galaxy. My shirt, I look a big crew. I put food. Oh, shit, it's hot. Oh, my God. Look how my camera washing up my plate. Ooh, it's hot. Oh my God, it's hot. Michelle, Calamon Galaxy, Michelle, it's very hot. As if I think on the camp, okay. And oh, I miss those days. That my mouth is drooling. I ain't gonna eat. I'm even gonna share out too much because I have to eat it 2 times. Yep. So we can get some more. Make I go with the phone, you know. Can't sit down with 2 toes, but I can't get 6 galaxy. Sure. Make I go with the phone. I still forgot to do. I find something though. Come back later. Yeah. Where people sit down with 2 toes, we can't get 6 galaxy. I crowd up on me. We're gonna go away. But me I eat first, because I eat from when. No, me I eat. Ooh. You want some exposure, man? I will go eat. I don't have time for that. say she should come thinking Rose. Cause she has spam my host button, you know. Chat, we look too galaxy. Chat, we look too galaxy. Chinese, thank you. What?
The team say one and done. After watching that stress. This was Shajo. Wait, my dog. She firm. That's it. She firm, dog. Just take time
Michelle,
and
thank
beat her.
you.
Take time and beat her hard, my dog. She firm. That's it. Glitch. This.
First gift time street chat. Lucifer.
I call that now you just like a small sitting on the kitchen. You can't play rough, you have to just play smart with the girl, you see. President!
President.
Right, 2 and a half team rich.
Two honor. Shall we carry the time showing on more galaxy? My dear.
Jump! Done! Bumbo clock! You type one job in our chat. What that? Oh yeah, ah! Rosie! War.
I know.
That's that.
Wow.
Yeah. They love it, Rosalie. Kiss her, she a jump. Jabba level up, dog. We take it soon. Maple sweets. It's a monkey chop water. Jump! Whatever. Was a laugh, dog. Type 1 job in our comment section. About half an hour. Spammy, 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 spammy. Half an hour, my dog. You see. President. What that? What that? funny, brother.
Chat later.
Henry sang this. Henry sang this. March, 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 we are march. March, we are marching on to progress. Time comes to realize, and we don't care what the other house say or what they say we are. See what it is. Richard, true, believe like another thing to come clear with you. So them not believe in that. They don't believe in that.
Don't play with me, don't play with me.
God on my side, he don't play on me. Never try.
But he can't take from me, take from me. I'm too covered, you can't aim at me. Boy, don't play with me, don't play with me, don't play with me. Get me.
I wouldn't even watch powder. Transitional. Sorry, I am so sorry. No miss that nice transition there. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah. Yeah, that's yeah. You hear them? And I want boy singing.
Give me a plan. So she looked up, comes from the spirit of the brother. Now to me, I get my friend, blessing again. Tag me, I got. When you see me, I got it. I'm a stage to what I'm singing up. From the tip of the million years, I can't love me to the end. See the hackers still on the wall, one shine of the president for me, I'm a rap. That's 12 for morning. Let me take me a 12 for morning. She said,
Oh no, shut up and wait. There is more.
All aboard, all aboard, all aboard, all aboard. You can't afford. You know what this? We are husband.
oh Jesus, say people business, I'll leave it alone.
Them a keep their one dead, yeah. Itty was me got dead. We're not gonna load the people then. Lord guys, hey, we try to get out here. I'm gonna stop me. I told her to come in down and make me laugh. So. Oh God. Boy, no, them a get points feet all if a foolishness. Watch them pyramid. You know watch people them pyramid and top till life. The children are not interested, so you expect. Don't worry, they have one nice part. We did hear them a practice. That part was nice.
It's all green, nice tea, green.
Hi, Beam! Stop! We tell them say hi, Beam, welcome, guys. We tell them say hi, Beam, welcome. We tell them say be here, hi, Beam. See there? School over, no school over from 3 o'clock. So look for the time. Most of them gone home and look up there. So see some of them up there, so hang out at different places. Over there, so and then over there, so and then everything. Then they're all over. Somebody said me no love you. Murder! Hey, we're not gonna be here. Hi, Beam. They can't split. Give them that. Lord Jesus. Them want stuff. Yo, the person they are coming, they are killing. Somebody say they want stop. One of the tappy. Woo! That's it, we done. I don't know who the family live I rank with the pit with them. They ask them if they want to stop. I don't know who. They ask them if they want to stop. Enough different people are saying but me I try to tell them that the picnic them never have a lot of practice. It's last minute, guys. Even the judge I feel lenient with them because they don't have a lot of practice.
Only 1 little boy, very good.
Extra point for the boy, please. Extra point for the boy.
Yes, definitely so.
Miss Linton, may they use the space. They might get marked down. Okay. I guess it's in the plan. It's probably in the plan. I don't know the plan. What? Ah? What a piece of thing.
No problem.
What is it? They're setting up.
10L or 10P.
Woo.
Please report to the meeting.
Lord of Jesus. Boy. Listen, I'm not funny, you know. Don't tell me if you keep no phone. See me I laugh. They not start yet. When they start, the music have an error. Just behave yourself and go and wait. You say people them rude. Amelia, Jack Star, Big Runner. Big Runner. Last. You can't talk. You say you're going to run, you're not run. I don't see you run. Oh, I must leave the for lunch. I must leave the for lunch. How much you come? I don't see no medal. Boat. Boat harder. They ready? One of those start without the music. That is unfair. Just go and wait. Yeah, with my people here say no. I want to say something funny, make me laugh, please. Say something funny. Somebody said, oh no, stop. God, I'm going to tell my sister what they say. So green now go. So green now go to no baby. Green now go. In the lead overall or for cheerleading? Them Mr. DJ, them awful. Oh my God, guys, behave. Who name Baby Twinkle? Oh, not too bad breed. Jamaica stuff. Miss, you know, you gotta tell them about the wig though. Which wig? Which wig? I don't follow. I got cheer. Overall, I think a blue house are good. So we're doing with the cheerleading, I go set them back. Green not cheer. Green will not be cheering. Running part. The running parts are Burton. Blue. Them should have buy the girl in the blue pants. A black one. Which girl in a blue pants? Oh my God. Guys, I don't need to go down. It may I say too. I can never buy her pants. Henry done for Jesus peace. Burton stop. Somebody said Burton keep them one funeral. We don't like them people here. We don't stop. Why? Why? A funeral service and chaos sports there. Yes, Richard went already and they were excellent. We don't lie. Take my what? Maya's off. Oh, yo, na behave on yourself. Bye, behave on yourself. The boy was forced. Me no know. His greenhouse broke down. It a bother me. What the pants? Tell them how it's school. So them can dance in the pants. Then tan pan in live and we are gonna see. Green and cheer. No. The wig in a Burton did a bother me bad. Jesus peace. That wood is a somebody I ain't no name. Oh, you own that so? Yes, miss. Yes. What you mean? What is cheerleading without music? Cheering? Why they don't like we at all? Eh? Yeah, they don't like Henry at all. I Burton over Henry with them powder. I did just say it and me just repeat. They say uno salt them with the powder. Oh my God! Me we highlight. And them are discouraging picking them. And I'm my house and I don't care. I don't care. Oh God. Oh. Oh God. Oh, I laughed till I tired. Me about. I feel well you laugh. You see me car people the road. The judge said Burton over there with the powder. Me can't bother. Jamaica need to stop. Look at me can't read so much comment. That girl there will pass cranny. Jesus please. The music is not working. The boy is not in a dress. Stop it. It is a short. Oh my god, I'm not terrible. When I read that they comment, they're not to rank everything about this wrong. Yes, pinks, be yourself. That girl did a pass. So see what? So what me can read that? Blue pants, I get idiot. What if she's a cheer captain? Tap nice. I want to see with a walk past every second. Somebody walk past every second? You not see that the person do. Javel, come on for this and go study for your CXC. You not have CXC next week. Come on for this. I should have known say you. Terrible. Miss, tell her to stop walking so far. She's not cute. I'm done. I am done reading this. Tell the girl in the green to stop walking in front of the camera. I don't see nobody in the green I walk in front of the camera. I'm blind. Jesus, I don't want to stop and behave on myself. The charging already are facts. It's facts. Factual information. I joke. Who said that? Me stop tell them that. Cause for the feels, you know, and then go without the music. But go without the music. But yeah, go without the music. Tappy, fairness. And be fair. Miss Jones, I go sing a song. It look like he had the mic down there, so they can't tell me song I will sing still. Count on no. Miss, I hope you're hungry for nothing. At my house. So that it's my house. Oh, you saw it? Okay. Listen, I'll cheer them on, you know. Me go cheer them on. Cheer. You're not allowed like at me. But me afraid still. Maybe we come second. Yeah.
That is it, you know, my mother. Goodbye, my mommy. I love you. That is it, you know, mommy.
Be safe, yeah?
Love him.
Be safe. I love him.
Love him, my mother.
Stay safe.
That
right.
is it.
Stay safe.
Love him, mommy. Take care.
Take care of my son.
Yeah, man. Let's check in, man.
Yeah, man.
Why do?
So she